How to make a paracord bracelet, the brickwork braid. Fast, simple, easy yet very elegant paracord bracelet with a very fast tutorial. Enjoy and have fun. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Alpha 1982 YouTube Paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. For today's project we're gonna use the black Paracord and the gold Paracord 550. The inspiration for this bracelet came from WhyKnot Paracord. And before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial we have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, we're gonna start. I'm gonna take the ends of our gold paracord and pull them together to find the center of it. And when we find the center, we're gonna take the buckle, 3/8 inch. Let me just zoom a bit. And now from here we're gonna insert our paracord from the top side of a buckle through. So now from here we're gonna pull our two cords through this loop here. So from the top through the loop, and by doing this we created our cow's hitches. And before we lock them up, we're gonna pull our black paracord through like so, and then we're gonna lock it. And from here we're gonna start with our weaves. So first we're gonna take the black and we're gonna pass it under the gold to the side. Now we're gonna take the gold one and we're gonna make it around the black paracord and then through the loop like so. And we're gonna do the same with the right strand of gold. So around, under the black, and then from the back through the gap and pass. Now lock this tight. So now from here we're gonna take our black paracord and we're gonna pass it under these gold cords. And now with the gold ones we're gonna take the right strand and make it around, under the black, around and through the loop here. Now we're gonna do the same with the left one, around, under the black, around and through the gap, and we're gonna secure it tight. And we're gonna proceed. So under the two gold cords to the side, then with the left one under the black, around and through the loop, and with the right strand gold under the black, around and through the loop. So now here let me check the length of a bracelet. I think this will be enough. Yes, perfect. Okay, now we're gonna finish it. Unclip the one end of a buckle, and from here we're gonna insert our gold cords into the buckle from the top, and from here we're gonna simply, I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can see, we're gonna take the right strand and we're gonna make it on top of the bracelet, and then we're gonna pull it through this loop here and to the side. Now we're gonna do the same with the left strand, so around on top of the bracelet and then through this loop here and to the side. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like this bracelet. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!